Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll share with you how to humanize AI generated content so it sounds natural and also engaging. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude are great for writing, but their content often feels robotic. To fix that, you have to make the content that the AI generates more human. First, you have to read through the AI generated text and remove the overly formal or repetitive phrases. AI tends to overuse certain words. To fix that, you have to replace them with casual and conversational language to make it sound even natural. Then you also have to inject personal experiences or relatable examples to make the content more engaging. For example, if the AI generated text is saying this strategy is effective, you edit it and say, I tried this and it worked like magic. And often you're going to find that AI is actually writing in a predictable rhythm, but then you have to come in and break the pattern by using short and patchy sentences, followed by longer and detailed ones. This is going to make your content feel more natural, just like a human conversation. Human writing has emotions, humor, and also personality. So if you can add these expressions, for instance, if you can use words like trust me, this works, or here's the exciting part, this automatically makes your content more engaging and also relatable. Read through the AI generated content and try as if you're explaining it to a friend. This helps remove robotic tones and also makes the content flow better. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions concerning humanizing AI content, drop them in the comments. I'll be very happy to respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.